Hello and welcome. Today, I'm going to share with you an incredible teaching from Islam that can help you manage anger effectively. Anger is a natural human emotion, but when it gets out of control, it can lead to negative consequences for ourselves and those around us. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, provided us with timeless wisdom on how to deal with anger. One powerful method he taught involves a special dua, or supplication. Let me set the scene for you. There was an instance where the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, encountered a woman who was visibly upset. In a gentle and compassionate manner, he approached her and softly stroked her nose to help calm her down. Then he taught her a beautiful dua to recite in moments of anger. The dua goes like this: "O Lord, forgive my sins, remove anger from my heart, and protect me from being misled." This simple yet profound supplication holds a deep significance. By asking for forgiveness, we acknowledge our imperfections and seek to purify our hearts. Removing anger from our hearts allows us to approach situations with a clear mind and a calm demeanor. And lastly, seeking protection from being misled ensures that we stay on the right path, even in moments of intense emotion. Now let's talk about the effects of anger. When we let anger take control, it can cloud our judgment, damage our relationships, and even harm our physical health. It's like a storm that disturbs the peace within us. But by incorporating this dua into our lives, we can find a way to calm the storm and restore our inner tranquility. Visualize this. Every time you feel anger rising, take a deep breath, close your eyes, and recite this dua. Feel the words resonate within your heart and let them guide you to a state of calmness. Over time, you'll notice a positive transformation in how you handle anger. The teachings of Islam are not just about rituals and rules, they're about improving our character and leading a better life. By embracing this dua and the wisdom behind it, we can become more patient, understanding, and compassionate individuals. So I encourage you to memorize this dua and make it a part of your daily life. Share it with your family and friends, and together, let's spread the message of peace and calmness. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring Islamic content. Until next time, may peace and blessings be upon you.